have one of these for both of the little people because I'm not trying to start a war. So stays hot guaranteed for 9 hours or 14 hours cold. Pressure safe, that's great, and BPA free. Look, Thermos cannot be beat. I don't care what you tell me. I don't know, I just love this brand. I had it growing up, so of course I'm partial to this. What is this? Oh, stop it. I can't. Look at this. Okay, I don't know how to open it, but oh my God. Y'all, look at this. What? Oh my God. Okay, that, you in Thermos, that is, okay, see, just when I think I cannot love them anymore, they find a way to get further into my heart. All right, that is cool. I love that. I can't wait to show the kids that. And then this is what you get for lunch, kids. You're welcome, because I love you. This is a 16-ounce container. It's beautiful. It's like this brushed stainless steel. You know, obviously you can put like whatever you want in here. This is really, really cool. I love this. All right, so there are 2 of those.